How to create an LLC for welding. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Are you a welder offering mobile services, fabrication, repair, or metal arts? Whether you're working solo or hiring a crew, it's time to protect yourself legally and operate like a true business. Forming an LLC for your welding business helps you separate personal and business finances, limit liability, and present yourself professionally to clients, contractors, and suppliers. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up your welding LLC using Busy, which is a fast, trusted platform that lets you form an LLC for free. You only pay the state filing fee and they take care of the rest. So click the link in the description to start your welding business right away with busy.com. That is your LLC, EIN, and compliance reminders all in one place. But before that, the question is why welders need an LLC. So, forming an LLC is a must if you're in the welding business because it helps you in liability protection. Welding comes with risks. If something goes wrong, your personal home, car, or savings stay protected. Business credibility, such as having LLC in your name, makes you look more professional to clients, construction companies, and city inspectors. It offers tax benefits such as deducting your gear, truck, fuel, tools, and safety equipments, and even marketing expenses. Also, it offers clean finances such as keeping your business money separate for easier bookkeeping and tax filing, and also offers hiring and expansion. So, if you're ready to grow, an LLC lets you add employees, take on bigger contracts, and build a real brand. So, if you wish to set up your welding LLC with Busy, simply click on the link in the description and you will be redirected to busy.com. So, first of all, you're going to choose your state, which is usually where you do most of your welding jobs. Then you're going to pick your business name, such as something professional, followed by the word LLC. And under business purpose, you can select welding, metal fabrication, etc. Every LLC needs a registered agent to receive legal documents. Busy includes a free registered agent for your first year, so you don't have to use your personal address. However, if you'd like to act as your own registered agent, Busy does offer an option for that as well. You'll need an employer identification number to invoice clients, hire staff, and open a business bank account. Busy applies for your EIN even if you don't have a social security number. However, if you don't want Busy to obtain your EIN, it also has an option for that. Starting January 1st, 2024, all new LLCs must file a BOI report, that's the Beneficial Ownership Information Report. So you'll need to provide your name, address, and a government-issued ID. If you want to create that too, I have included the link in the description for that. After your LLC and EIN are ready, open a business bank account to keep your money separate. This also helps if you ever apply for equipment financing or a small business loan. Online banks like Blue Vine, Lily, or Relay are great for welders and mobile contractors. So, welders across the US are using Busy because it offers free LLC formation with EIN and free registered agent for 1 year. So, if you're ready to go from welder for hire to welding business owner, click the link in the description and start your LLC with Busy today. That's it for today's guide. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.